Today, we will talk about the topic of amended tax return, who needs to file one, how, and when. An amended return is a form filed in order to make corrections to a tax return from a previous year. An amended return can correct errors and claim a more advantageous tax status, such as a refund. For example, one might choose to file an amended return in instances of misreported earnings or tax credits. Mathematical errors, however, do not require amendments because the IRS automatically corrects for such errors when processing the tax return. All taxpayers are required to file their taxes annually for the previous tax year. Taxpayers may realize that they made a mistake in filling out their tax forms, or their circumstances may have changed after they have submitted or mailed a return that has been accepted by the government. If this occurs, the Internal Revenue Service has provided a way for these individuals to redo their taxes by providing an amended return form, Form 1040X, on the IRS website. Form 1040X has 3 columns, A, B, and C. Under column A, the figure that was reported in the original or last amended tax form is recorded. The taxpayer will need to input the adjusted or correct number in column C. The difference between columns A and C is reflected in column B. The adjustments made to a tax return will either result in a tax refund, balance due, or no tax change. The taxpayer also has to explain what changes they are making and the reasons for making each change in a section provided on the back of Form 1040X. The drawback of filing an amended return is that Form 1040X cannot be submitted electronically for every tax year, although the IRS has recently started accepting e-filed amended returns for tax year 2019. If filling out the form manually, the taxpayer has to mail the printed-out document to the IRS Service Center that processed the original tax form. The IRS manually processes amended returns, and the process can take 16 weeks, or even longer, if the amended return is not signed, is incomplete, has errors, requires additional information, needs clearance by the IRS Bankruptcy Department, has been routed to another specialized area, or has been affected by identity fraud. There is, however, a 3-year statute of limitations for issuing tax refund checks. Therefore, the taxpayer must file any amended returns that will result in a tax refund within 3 years after the date they filed the original tax return. An amended return filed to account for additional income or overstated deductions does not fall under any such statute and can be filed at any time. All current and prior revisions of the IRS Form 1040X are available on the IRS website by searching for 1040X. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. An amended return is a form filed in order to make corrections to a tax return from a previous year. 2. Form 1040X, available on the IRS website, is the form for filing amended returns. 3. Changes in filing status, changes in the number of claimed dependents, incorrectly claimed tax credits and deductions, and incorrectly reported income are reasons individual taxpayers file an amended return. 4. There is a 3-year statute of limitations on issuing tax refund checks. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.